From the Parts and Labor screen, to access any labor guide, click on the catalogs and select the labor guide you would like from the list. To access the Motor Parts and Labor Guide, select Motor and then Parts and Labor Guide. Now that the Motor Parts and Labor Guide has loaded, you are able to view the OEM parts information as well as repair times. Under the search type, select both to view parts and labor for the parts. For example, let's do suspension work by selecting front suspension from the category box. Since there is only one group listed for this category, our group is already selected. Now we need to select our subgroup, which in this example will be suspension components. Once loaded, you can see the OEM parts, the description, and the pricing. For this example, we'll be replacing the shock absorber and coil spring using the severe labor times. Select the parts you wish to select, and then select severe labor times. Now that you've selected the labor times and labor for the parts, select the parts. Now that you have selected the parts and labor you desire, then click Save to bring your selections to the previous screen. To change the quantity, click in the quantity field and type in the amount and hit Enter. If you need to remove a line, just click on the X to the right and it will delete that line. The selected parts and labor have now been added to the ticket, and the labor has automatically been calculated with your shop's labor rate. Lastly, you can go back to the main ticket screen to view any additions or adjustments that have been made to the ticket.